Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Sky account and confirming you have Sky Talk or a bundle that includes call logging. Once logged in, enable call recording or logging features where available. This is necessary to collect metadata. Make sure you have admin access to your Sky Hub or any connected VoIP adapters, and note device IPs. If you use apps, grant call permission prompts now. These steps let you begin capturing all inbound and outbound call records immediately. Once done, export the call history from the Sky portal or mobile app. Choose CSV or Excel to retain timestamps and numbers. Next, access your Sky Hub or any VoIP hardware to pull local CDRs. Use the router's admin page or SSH tools if available. Then consolidate these exports into a single spreadsheet or lightweight database so you can deduplicate and sort. Make sure to standardize timestamp formats and country codes to avoid mismatches during analysis. To finish, normalize number formats and remove duplicates so your combined log accurately reflects all calls. Once normalized, create filters for incoming, outgoing, and missed calls, and add columns for duration and call source. Back up the raw exports before any edits. If records are incomplete, check that app permissions and router firmware are up to date, verify Sky service status, and confirm you accessed every device tied to the account. If problems persist, re-export after correction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.